everybody, welcome back to Jimmy's Promo, and today we will be talking about how well the KD Box Pro has performed after 8 days. So the KD Box, it's made by Goldshell. It's a very small form factor. It's also not loud at all. It's not going to change the temperature in your room with just one of these small little guys. The electricity cost is not much at all. It's 230 watts in terms of the power consumption, which could cost you anywhere between 65 to 69 cents per day, just depending on how much you pay for your kilowatt hour. So in this video today, I'll show you where you can purchase it and how well it has performed and how much Kadena it mines per day. So let's first take a look at where you can purchase the KD Box Pro. And so this is where I got mine, is the Goldshell KD Box Pro from asicmarketplace.com. It's a trusted vendor. I've used multiple different websites in the past, and this one is the one that I trust the most. And honestly, they also ship the quickest as well, and very good communication skills. So if you guys are looking for a website that are reliable, very fast, and good communication, if you need to reach out, asicmarketplace.com is the place to go. So you can see here the KD Box Pro is sitting here. This is actually all of their available miners currently. So if you're looking for other stuff, you can take a look at this page, and I'll link this page below the video inside the description, as well as the KD Box Pro itself. So here's the KD Box Pro, $6,840. It has a terahash of 2.6 terahash. Now, the original KD Box was 1.6 terahash. And so this one right here, it's a really good purchase, a really good buy, because you are upping the terahash. You got 2.6, and it's only at a power consumption of 230 watts. 230 watts in a regular wall outlet is usually right around 65 to 70 cents, depending on how much your electricity cost is at your area. So mine is right around 13 cents. So I'm paying about 69 cents a day to run this in terms of its power consumption. If you scroll down, this will give you your overview specifications here. So again, 2.6 terahash, 230 watts, and they really don't have that much sound at all. And it's not gonna, change the temperature in your room like a traditional huge ASIC miner. So again, if you're interested, I'll place this link below the video inside the description. It takes you directly to this page. Now let's take a look over inside of the market of Kadena and where it's at today. So right now it's trading at $6.74. You noticed before it was above and at $25. And actually where I first started mining Kadena was back when it was right around 89, 86 cents. Then it went up to like $1.20, $1.30. And so these were the really fun times that I was holding on to all of this Kadena. And then bam, it shot up. And that was when I started to sell some of what I mined. So this way the ROI was much, much quicker. So some people may look at this and say, oh, it's at $6.72. It's going to take like 300 or 350 days for ROI. That is only if the price stays at the same point and if you sell at this price point. So as long as it's down here at a pretty low point, which it's hovering right around a Fibonacci retracement level, right around here. Now, because I believe in Kadena and a very conservative number we can look at, it can easily go back to $12 and $14. So what you want to do is, if you are interested in purchasing, a Kadena miner, now would be a really good time, because this is the lowest price point of where it could be sitting at. Because once it shoots up, the price of the miner goes up as well. All the hype is there, the prices go up. The miners always fluctuate with the market price of whatever the coin is. So back when it was up at, $20, $25, these miners were super expensive. And then now they're actually at a pretty good deal to where people also trust that it could go up, once this whole bear market is finished. So here we are, lots of room for growth. And so if you're brand new to mining, don't think about the ROI at this price point. Think of the ROI at the higher price point and just wait for it to go there. And then that's when you cash out. So that was the market price, again, $6.74 currently. Now we're going to head over into asicminervalue.com. Now this is a good information website to give you what the profitability is, how much it could cost to run in terms of electricity, the entire profit with the electricity cost built into that and everything. You can go to the bottom, you can see all the areas of where you can purchase, and you can also change your local preferences in terms of how much your electricity cost is for your area. So these details here can be updated. So this was not here when I originally did it, and I took a guess that the KD Box Pro would earn about $10 to $12 a day, which is pretty much exactly what it does. This number here is actually just a little bit more than what I am personally getting. So for me, I'm getting 1.5 to 1.6 Kadena per day. So if we take a look at this one right here, you can see that my yesterday's revenue is 1.58. So what you'd have to do there is just take 1.58. Either you can take 1.5 or 1.6 and then times it by the current price of today. And so what I wrote down was $7. It's just a little uptick, and that's actually where the price was yesterday. So anyways, Kadena 1.5 a day, and this is exactly just only one miner. This is only one that is mining currently. You can see the payouts, and so my payout is, it has to reach above 2 Kadena in order for it to pay out. So basically I'm getting paid a little over 3 Kadena every other day. So you can see here the 19th, 21st, 23rd, 25th. So basically every single day is right around that 1.5, 1.6 Kadena. So that is all the numbers that you would really need to know. This profitability and all this information here, it's saying that the full income it can take is $12.66 in order what it earns. Electricity cost though is right around 66 cents, which means you would end with the result of a profit of $12. After the whole year, it says 4,318. Now this number is a little bit higher than what I'm doing. So let's head over into my little spreadsheet here. So KD Box Pro 2.6 terahash, 230 watt, the price is 6,840. So I'm earning 1.5 to 1.6 Kadena per day. With the electricity cost put in, if we're sitting at $7 for price, that means that we are earning between $10 and $10.70 per day, which per the year is 3,650. And that is again with electricity cost put into this price. Now, let's say that we go back up to that conservative $12. That is super easy to get to. One little spike will get us there in just one day. That means that it would be earning between $17.50 to $18.50 per day, which if it was to stay at that price for the full year, then it's 6,387. And then if we go back up into the $20 range, which we've been at 25 and above, so let's just say that we somehow get up to 20 bucks, several months down the road, then that means that it is now earning between $29.50 to $31.50 per day, which if it stays at that price for the whole year, then we'll earn $10,767. Now, one thing to keep in mind is when you are mining with any machine, any ASIC miner, with any coin, the difficulty levels always increase. So the thing is that these numbers will really never ever stay the same because the difficulty will bring down how much Kadena you mine per day. So it might be 1.5 or 1.6 today, and then several months down the line, it might be like 1.3, 1.1. So you just want to keep that in mind. But as long as you believe in the product, in the project, and you believe that the coin is going to just, do fantastic and do well, then basically gathering all that you can now with this machine at this price, anytime that it comes back up to $20, and that means that your ROI is super, super quick. So that's just one thing that I wanted to keep in mind with you guys is don't think of today's price and only go based off of that. You have to think about where it has been and where it could go and then put that in. And yeah, it's just a stipulation and guessing. And yes, the coin could go down, but again, it could always still go back up. Again, this is for anybody who believes in the project, who are the ones who normally purchase the miners. So that's pretty much all that I wanted to show you today. This is where you can purchase it, which is asicmarketplace.com. Here's today's current market price, $6.74. Honestly, it can simply go up to 12 and 14 without a hitch. And then right here, this is just my F2 pool. It shows the total amount that has been paid out, which is 12.6, which is after 8 days. And you can see yesterday was 1.58. So pretty much a very consistent number every single day, right around that. This is the estimated amount that I've earned today. And then right around 7 p.m. my time, then this number should say somewhere around 1.6. So that is everything I wanted to show you guys. Hopefully, guys, this has helped you out. All of the details, all the numbers are there. So basically, every single day, we're just going to rough range it between $10 and $12 per day as of right now until the market goes back up out of this bear market. But if you guys appreciated this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Subscribe on the very bottom left-hand side. And if you like this video, then more than likely you'll also like this video. And I'll see you guys later.